Hello and welcome to Module 13 of our Small Business Certified AI Strategist program. In the previous modules, you learned how to research and score AI solutions, as well as craft an AI tool description document. Now it's time to take the next step, drafting a request for proposal or RFP to invite qualified vendors or solution providers to bid on your AI project. Now, you might be wondering, why are we creating this RFP? It's for two reasons. The first, you'll likely have over a dozen tools that you're looking to build and release for the business. Your client might already have a relationship with a trusted vendor, and that's fine. So the RFP allows them to easily get quotes. And the second reason is this RFP is what you'll provide us at Strata 52 if you want our engineers to bid on the project. We have a standard RFP template that you can download that covers sections like the introduction and the project background, the scope of work, technical requirements, timeline and budget, vendor qualifications, evaluation criteria, and the submission instructions. This template ensures consistency across all your AI initiatives. By filling it out thoroughly, you'll provide vendors with everything that they need to craft accurate, competitive proposals. Remember, the more details you include, especially around technical constraints, integration points, and compliance needs, the more targeted and relevant vendor responses you'll receive. One of the best ways to save time and maintain consistency is to draft your RFP within the same chat context that you use to build your AI tool description. This approach allows ChatGPT or Claude to recall the details of your project, like the wish statements, IT stack requirements, and the AI tool description automatically. This is how you do it. First, you want to open or continue the same chat. Find the conversation thread where you created the AI tool description for that particular opportunity. This ensures the model retains context about the client's environment, their MICE scores, their robust scores, and any relevant background. Then we want to upload the RFP template into the chat. We want to copy and paste the entire RFP template into the chat and clearly label it as such. For example, below is our standard RFP template. Please remember this because I'm going to give you instructions in the next prompt. Then you want to prompt the model. In the chat, say something like, please create an RFP using the template attached. Here's the AI tool description for reference, plus any relevant MICE or robust scores. Make sure to include all technical requirements, scope details, and vendor evaluation criteria. At this point, ChatGPT or Claude, whichever tool you're using, will generate a draft RFP. Be sure that you scan this output for any missing or incorrect details like brand-specific requirements or compliance standards. Feel free to provide follow-up prompts like, can you emphasize security or GovCon compliance in Section 4? And can you add a note about the timeline flexibility in Section 5 and so on? Once you're happy with the final deliverable, and after you've refined the draft in ChatGPT or Claude, copy and paste the final version into a Word or Google Doc and label it as RFP for insert the AI tool name to avoid confusion. This step is essential for several reasons. One, it's essential for version control, where Google or Word doc, they allow you to track the edits and add comments and finalize formatting. And then it also allows you to share and get approvals. Your broader team, the executives, the IT team, the procurement team may not have access to ChatGPT or Claude, so a traditional document format is preferable at this stage. And then lastly, this becomes your official record. A properly stored RFP, like in SharePoint or Google Drive, becomes your single source of truth for the vendor selection process. So at this stage, you will not deliver the RFP to the client. This is just one deliverable that's included alongside each of the AI opportunities that you're looking at rolling out for the next year. So know that you'll have to iterate on this process multiple times for each of the AI tool descriptions that you've created. So that's it for Module 13, the AI tool RFP. Now you have a clearer understanding of the roadmap for drafting and distributing the RFP using the same chat context that houses the AI tool description. By keeping everything in one conversation, you really minimize the duplication effort, ensure consistency, and you can easily reference your existing data, like the wish statements or the compliance requirements. In the next module, we're going to focus on building the AI tool value analysis, finalizing your AI tool selection, and aligning everything with your client's roadmap, timeline, and budget. So I'll see you there.